Hello, 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 parents. This is Miss Jerome Severe coming with another video of the alphabets for the kids to watch. I saw this free download alphabet cards and I said, oh, this would be great for the kids to do. So, bonsoir, bonsoir, parents. Yo, c'est Miss Jérôme Sévère qui vient avec un autre vidéo. Nous avons joué une slide ça qui était gratis côté Timoun yo pour connaître alphabet yo. So, moi fait pour Timoun yo. So, guys, there's another video. This is another video to help you guys know your alphabets, to reinforce your alphabets. So, let's go and learn our alphabets. This is the letter A. What's the letter A? A says a, as in ant. Ant. A, ant. This is the letter B. B says B. B says B. B says B, as in baby. What is that? Baby, baby, baby. B says B, baby. This is the letter C. This is the letter C. C says K. C says as in hat. As in hat. Hat, cat. C says K. Cat. This is the letter D. 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 D for dog. D for dog. 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 D. D. Dog. This is the letter E. E. E says eh. E says eh. 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 Elephant. Elephant. E says eh. Elephant. This is the letter F. F. F says F says as in fish. F. Fish. As in fish. F says as in fish. This is the letter G. This is the letter G. G says G. G says G. G. As in grass. As in grass. Letter G says G. Letter G says G. As in grass. Letter H. This is the letter H. H says as in horse. As in horse. Horse. H. Horse. Letter I. Letter I. I says I. I says I. I. As in ink. 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 Letter I says I. As in ink. This is the letter J. J. J says J. J says J. J. As in juice. J as in juice. Juice. Very good. Letter J says J. Letter J say J as in juice. This is the letter K. The letter K as in K says as in kite. K says as in kite. Yes, kite. K says as in kite. This is the letter L. 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 L says L. L says L as in lion. As in lion. L says L as in lion. This is the letter M. M. M says hmm. M say as in milk. Milk. M says milk. N. N. N says N says as in nest. As in nest. And say as in nest. This is the letter O. What letter is that? O. O says ah. O says ah. Ah as in octopus. O says ah as in octopus. This is the letter P. This is the letter P. P says P says as in pig. 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 P says P as in pig. This is the letter Q. Q says Q says Q says as in queen. Queen. Q says as in queen. This is the letter R. R. R say R. R say R. R as in rocket. R as in rocket. R say R as in rocket. This is the letter S. S says S. S says S. S as in snake. Snake. S says S as in snake. This is the letter T. Letter T. T says T. T says T as in turtle. Turtle. Letter T says T as in turtle. This is the letter U. U. U says ah. U says ah. U says ah. As in umbrella. Umbrella. U says as in umbrella. This is the letter V. V. V says V. V says V. V as in vase. V say vase. This is the letter V. Says vase. Letter W. Letter W. W says whoop. Letter W says whoop, whoop. as in wallet, wallet, wallet. W says W as in wallet. This is the letter X. X says X as in X-ray. X as in X-ray. X6 as in X-ray. This is the letter Y. Y says Y says Y as in yawn. Y as in yawn. This is the letter Z. This is the letter Z. Z says Z. Z says Z as in zipper. As in zipper. Z says Z as in zipper. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. Yay. Good job. Good job. Good job. Parents, if your children watch the video often and have them watch it, they should be good learning their alphabets. If your child is struggling in pre-K, 3 years old, 4 years old, pre-K, so you could help them watch. Parents, don wap fè ti moun yo gade video a, pou yo ka konen alphabet yo. C'est tout ça, mes yo CVT gen pou nou. A bientôt. That's all, guys. Good job. See you guys later. Bye.